Welcome, crafty friends, and a quick heads up. This isn't an under 3-minute make. It's a start to finish, pull out mini junk journal. I started with a photo ephemera and it turned into something totally different. These PHOTO-DAK and DAK, deliberate act of kindness pieces, were truly the starting point. 2 envelopes, and you'll see shortly 4 slide mounts I stamped, and I also made a couple of matching digitals for my Ko-fi members. Here's what changed everything, the focal piece. My film strip stamp area is about 4 inches wide, so I built the project around that. If you don't start with the focal, the mechanism never feels clean.
Museful creations come and see, crafted with joy soulfully.
I cut thin cardboard hinge strips and scored a small channel so the covers open flat and close clean. Pre-cut the pull out parts so we can jump straight into the assemblage. Here's why it pulls out. This is the main pullout, and I designed it as a real journaling spot. And then I'll show you next, behind the photo film strip, there's a second pocket with another journaling card. And then there's a third tab pull on the second hidden spot because P ended up meaning pockets as much as anything. And of course, the photo, film strip stamp, the pen nib, the word preserved, pull, pockets, and even the bead dangle that I added on the 1/4 inch space in between the spine and the covers. And it all tucks back in flat. I hope this will inspire you to look at your stash, take it out, and play with it. And sometimes slowing it down is the best thing that you can do when you're creating. This is why I built around the focal point. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. Until next time, be blessed and take care.